Hey everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you create a project in Jira. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end so you can make sure that this works the same for you, because this method is very simple and very easy to do, so I have no doubts that you will be able to follow along with me. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open up your Jira dashboard if you haven't already. After opening Jira, if you do not know how to set up Jira and open up Jira to start using it, then look at our other video where we show you how you get started using Jira and set up the program. So guys, anyways, after you have opened up this main page, you'll be greeted by this page right here, which is your dashboard. Here you can see all your dashboards, projects, boards, and so on and so on. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this page. So to create a project, you will want to go in the upper left corner right here where it says projects. So you want to go, bring your mouse over here and click on projects. After clicking on projects, you'll see a couple of options have opened up, and you want to go and select the last option, which is called create project. So go ahead and click on that, and you will be prompted up by this page right here where you will be able to select what kind of project you need. Is it software related or business related? So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say we want to create a Scrum software development project. So go ahead, click on the type of project that you want, and go ahead and click on the next button down here with the blue next button. Clicking on that, you will now be prompted by this page which shows you what this project is about. And through doing that, click on select, and you'll be greeted by this page where you will be able to select the name of your project. So go ahead and let's type in something like Scrum tutorial project, and it will automatically set the key for us. If you do not know what the key is, it is a prefix for every issue in the project. You can set this up as anything you want, and you do not have to set it up or all. It will set up automatically. So after doing that, giving the project name the name, you will now be able to click submit, and this will create our project and bring us to the board of our project. And you will be able to work with your project, selecting all the options that you need. So guys, basically that's how you create a project in Jira. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.